Coronel. So, little tweak in the starting lineup para kay Coach Marlon Martin. Ito naman ang usual starting five para kay Coach Ralph Rivera. And Balagtas gets the tip. We are underway. Aba ng kamay ni Warren Bonifacio. Reverente inside, banging bodies with Cassina, and he gets the first basket.
Good read. Good bump.
Facing up on Bonifacio. Alday for three. He will get the bounce. Alwin Alday.
First three-pointer para dito.
On a 5 here for Pasay. Tabi. Bonifacio will fire and hit.
Just in the nick of time para dito kay Bonifacio.
Yes, actually. Bonifacio for three. Yes, sir.
5 straight points. You know, he got that first outside shot.
Nagmamadali. Lawrence. Acrobatic shot, no good. And Bonifacio cleans it up. 7 straight points para kay Warren Bonifacio. Balagtas. Free throw line jumper is good.
Finally for Rizal.
Viloria against Victoria. Craniel.
Sized up his defender.
Remaining. Tabi on the drive, the bump, and the bucket.
So, hindi maganda yung naging depensa ng Rizal that time.
Down low to Balagtas. He's able to recover. Balagtas fading away and scoring.
Very patient. Akala ko parang may...
Alday wants it and hits.
Alday already has 6 points.
Ahead to Alday. Alday feeling it. Yes! 3 3-pointers para kay Alwin Alday here in the first period. Changes the dynamic here now that Alday has been hitting his 3-pointers. Here he is again, Alwin Alday. 11 puntos na. 2 seconds remaining. Victoria. Oh, tough shot in traffic.
Look at the balance, the composure. You know,
this end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. Salenga. Salenga gets it back, fires a 3. Yes, sir.
He has that shot. Libre.
Pingoy. Gustong bumawi, and Jerry Pingoy.
Way to.
Ty Brian Hilario guarded by Chad Alonso. Hilario. The fadeaway is good off the glass.
Using his size really well against Richard Alonso.
Reverente on the attack. Reverente gets the bucket.
Look at
Drives. Is looking for a path to the bucket. No, Agovida on the putback.
Very persistent Keith Agovida.
The next dead ball. Marvel Jimenez. Libre sa tres.
Miscommunication, that defense. Hindi alam ni Pasay kung...
Mislead. Caught the defense napping there. For Bonifacio, that won't work. Agovida recovers, and the finger roll is good. To Caballero. Out to Reverente. He'll take the 3 and make the 3.
Reverente.
Giano looking to work with Bonifacio. Warren fires and hits. 2 straight triples here for Pasay. 10 points para kay Warren Bonifacio. Don. Caballero muna. Lawrence Victoria. Libre sa 3. Wala. Oh, tap. Ends up with Reverente.
Right place at the right time. Don Reverente, 9 points.
10 seconds on the shot clock for Pasay. Caballero with a jelly.
Ang ganda na. Very good read by Caballero.
Viloria, takbo si Alday. And Alwin will lay it in for 2. This halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first and
Reverente.
And Victoria has time, and he hits. the three.
The first three-pointer para kay Lawrence Victoria Mark.
Talaga nga namang minsan, it's not about how long you've been doing it. Sometimes it's about the effort that you put in when doing it. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. And takes the rebound. Sleet sees a free lane. Beautiful play. Sidestepping his way to the basket. Patrick Sleet. Reverente trying to add to it. Yes, sir!
Everything just going right for Pasay right now. Parang wala silang magawang mali.
Victoria leaves the defender at his wake and lays it in for two. 10 points para kay Lawrence Victoria.
Pasay team, he's not scoring pero he's the one orchestrating everything as at Alwin.
Coronel against Pingoy. Inigo for three. Yes!
Good play, good rotation para dito sa Pasay, libreng tira.
Bottled up. Nice pass inside. AJ Coronel scores.
Just when you think wala nang mangyayari dun sa
To Pingoy. Three-pointer. Wala pa rin. Agovida with a rebound and he puts it in for two.
outside shooting for Rizal, not really.
4 of 7. Agovida nakalusot. Layup is good. Basket and one.
He got that.
Pingoy. Agovida drives baseline. Layup is good.
12 points. Yeah.
Ganda na. Inigo from long range. Yes, sir.
Wow. Kita mo yung kumpiyansa nitong Pasay. 3-point quarter scoring.
Inside, Vintis. Coronel, yes.
Second serving para kay Coronel, walang problema.
But Alday, binigay kay Temajo ahead of the pack. And he scores, Deo Temajo. Natapik ni Alday, turnover, and Alwin will lay it in for two.
4 straight points para si Rizal.
Picks up the loose ball, takbo ang Rizal. Serrano scores off the glass and in. Third quarter and the end of third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first in the second, 26-17 in the third. That's Victoria. That's a long two for Lawrence Victoria. He'll lead the break here for the Voyagers. Lawrence, yes.
He always likes that play, yung fast.
Feeling it. Lawrence puts it in. Fast break. Reverente will lay it in.
Good touchdown pass.
If you're in the North Division, kasi baka maging tiebreaker to eventually.
Oo, saka yung posisyonan eh. Yung bawat koponan sa division.
With Sleet, Lawrence Victoria. Here he comes again, and Lawrence Victoria.
Ang layo ng kanan.
Oo. Oh, blocked by Bonifacio. Apacible with a stick back. And J.K. Casino nails the three. Casino gives it up to Agovida for two. Swings it over to Sleet. The extra pass to Victoria. Again, Lawrence Victoria torches Rizal here in the second half. Lopez and happy fiesta sa Masantol, Pampanga. Patrick Sleet.
Easy 2 points.
Alday lumapit, and Alday puts it in for two. Caballero, inside they go. Bonifacio, and Caballero knew it as soon as he gave it up to Warren. Casino for three, that's good.
Second three-pointer para dito kay Casino.
Got 6 points in the game. Nice pass to Sleet again. Keanu Caballero.
Oo, Caballero.
Sienes, off-balance shot is good. Crowd loving it. Question, yung tira na yun. And the Cruz turnaround shot is good as well.
Then that assist to Bernardo.
Martin Sienes. And Sienes! Oh!
Akala ko they're just gonna pull it.
Their second straight game. And may duda pa ba tayo kung sino ating Buenas player of the game? Siyempre, Lawrence Victoria with an explosive second half performance. And he was on fire in the second half.
He started really slow.
He missed his, he was 1 of 7 in the first half. Had 2 points. And all of a sudden, their final score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.